This is the Edifier W800BT SE, ang budget headphones na comfortable, skin-friendly, and magandang sound quality dahil 40mm driver unit. Foldable design yung headphones kaya good for travel. Ang maganda dito, up to 45 hours yung battery life, and kung i-charge mo for 15 minutes, may 8 hours of use ka na. Plus Bluetooth version 5.4, so sure na mabilis and stable yung connection. Also, it features AI call noise reduction, so even na maingay sa paligid mo, minimal noise lang yung maririnig ng kausap mo. In addition, supported nito yung multi-point connection, so hindi hassle mag-switch between laptop and smartphones. About sa design, made of plastic with metal for adjustments. May 3 available colors din na white, black, and gray. Kung gagamitin man for gaming, meron siyang konting delay, pero supported naman ito yung wired connection, so mas better na wired kung maglalaro ka. For controls, may physical button sa mismong headphones, and ito yung response niya. Lastly, may application where you can choose classic, dynamic, or customize para sa sound effects. May 3 sound modes din such as music, game, and theater.